said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if it's not reciprocated? I told her don't rush, girl, don't you rush. Guess it's all a game of patience. She said, what if I dive deep? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flowers with me? I told her thinking is I'm wrong. Love will happen when it wants. I know it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go. 'Cause
Come on, get to work. Get to work. He won't stop farting.
I hate when you do something and blame it on me.
Because you did it, you moron.
I hate when you do that.
she said, what if I tell you all the things I've done? Would you run away from me? I told her, baby, we all got bags full of shit that we don't want. But I can't unpack it for you, baby. She said, what if I dive deep? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flowers with me? I told her thinking is I'm wrong. Love will happen when it wants. Know it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go. 'Cause I want you. I want you. I want you. 'Cause I want you. I want you. I want you. I want you. Yeah. I want you. I want you. I want you. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta wait till after church. 1 o'clock. Oh, it looks good. I like it. There's like 3 colors. There's brown, there's gray.
Where do you see brown?
Yes.
Mom,
Mixed.
that's dark gray.
What'd you say? Yeah, so 1 o'clock.
Hello everyone, so it is day like 4 or 5 of the room transformation. I am finishing it up today. I'm waiting for the finishing little decorations to come in the mail. They should be coming in today by the end of the day. Hello everyone, we're back home. Building another thing, except this time Madison's gonna help me.
I've been helping the entire time.
We're building this. We're building that. And what we're gonna do with it is we're gonna decorate it with some of my nicest shoes. Don't have a lot, but you probably get the vibe.
Set an alarm, Siri. Hey Siri. How do you do it?
Hey,
Alexa.
Siri.
What do you ask about Ricardo de la Bosa? I'll read step 1.
Okay.
I'll read the Spanish first and you read the English. Consider que usted.
Nice roll of the R's. You can't even see any of that. Like,
So we're doing nothing. Meanwhile, we're grinding hard back here.
we're taking a break. Actually, not really. We'll kind of,
making her take a break.
because, okay, so that's what it looks like. I don't want to give too much of a view because I want to show it with the whole room put together. So we're doing face masks.
Oh my god.
That's our form of relaxation. So I'm just putting batteries in these cute little decorations that I found. How cute!
Oh, that's so
Love it. Okay, so like a week later, everything is finally in place. The room is done for now. I'm gonna go in and show like an overview of what it looks like with the lights off. And then I'll turn the lights on and go around the room and list where I got stuff, what I used to decorate it, all that good stuff. So let's take a look. So that is what the room looks like. So I guess I'll go over the room and give a brief like overview of what is in here, where I got it from as far as I can remember. So as for my vanity, I don't remember where any of like my main furniture was from, but all it is really is just obviously a simple white desk. Over here I have this little makeup organizer that's marble on the sides with 4 medium-sized drawers, 2 small drawers, and then it comes with this little compartment thing that's detachable on top. This I got from Amazon. I will link it down below. This ring light is also from Amazon. It's super bright. It sits on my desk, so that's convenient. Don't mind my eyelashes here. But this mirror is from Impressions Vanity. The lights behind the TV I also got from Amazon. They just came in today, and it comes with like a little remote, and you could just change the brightness, the color, the mode you want it on, and yeah, so you could just pretty much change it to any color, which is cool. This drawer set I actually picked up today. It looks like the Alex drawers from IKEA. Same size, same style, same everything kinda. I got this from Michael's. It was 50% off. So the ones from IKEA, you know, could be expensive, especially if you need to get a couple to complete a whole beauty room. But this I got at Michael's for 50 bucks. It's originally 100. I got it for 50% off. Michael's always has like coupons floating around online, so you could look for one literally wherever. Up here, this is just here for now. I'm not gonna leave it because it's literally paper that is double side taped down, and they didn't have one that was 16 inches by 16 inches, so I had to get all 12 by 12s and cut it. Like you can see the little line, but that's just for now until I find like contact paper. This clock I got from Primark. This plant I got from Marshall's, or no, Home Goods. These coasters I got from Marshall's. They were on sale. This neon cloud sign is from Amazon. Now this little cubicle furniture, like shelving organizer is from Amazon as well. All my shoes are in there. This bag is just a bag. This J light up monogram is from Amazon. I literally get everything from Amazon, but like look how freaking bomb it looks. Like, yeah, that's from Amazon. These gold battery powered candles are also from Michael's. This blanket on my bed is from Kohl's. This body pillow cover from Primark. These two white throw pillows also from Primark. The two gray pillows from Kohl's. Those fake flowers also from Michael's. Same with the vase or vase, whatever. Salt lamp is from Kohl's. And then like my bedding and the sham pillows all are from Kohl's as well. These are my Mix tiles. It's an app that you can order pictures like this. They have different effects and layouts you can choose from. Love these. They're super cute. And then this light I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Candles aren't important. This plant I also got from Kohl's. So yeah, that is pretty much an overview of my new and improved room. Oh, also, the wood paneling on this wall is from Home Depot. It's not like one big sticker that you stick on. These are individual wood planks. So yeah, that's basically where I got that from. So yeah, this took a week to finally come together. I want to give a big thank you to my amazing boyfriend Anthony for doing it for me when he didn't really have to, but he's just great, so thank you, honey. That puts an end to this video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, press that subscribe button, and hit the bell button to get to get notifications for whenever I post a brand new video. Vlogmas was not a success, but once we started doing this whole room thing, I really just wanted to get it done. So I'm gonna try to post as frequent as possible. Sorry for the wait. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love my new room just as much as I do, because now I have an excuse to stay home all the time. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And with that said, bye honeys.